The collective security of our peoples is our joint responsibility. Terrorism continues to threaten global security. Let's not get caught up in weaponizing terrorism for diplomatic point scoring. When I speak on this topic, I do so not only as the Foreign Minister of Pakistan, whose people have suffered the most in terms of number of attacks and number of casualties. I also speak as the son of a mother who was assassinated at the hands of terrorists. I feel the pain of this loss, empathize with the victims across the world in a way that most cannot. I and my country are firmly committed to eradicating this menace. This requires not only a comprehensive approach, but also a collective approach. It demands we address the root causes as well as the threats posed by specific groups. It requires that we let this challenge unite us to fight it rather than divide us to become its victims. We must stop conflating non-state actors with state actors, condemn all forms of terrorism, including state-sponsored terrorism.